So this video got just 1,000 views and YouTube paid me this amount as a Nigerian YouTuber. And trust me, this is not what most people will tell you online. So some people say that YouTube doesn't pay in Nigeria. Some people say YouTube is just a waste of time. Other people say that it's only for foreigners, Americans, and the rest. So instead of arguing, I decided to test it out with real numbers. And in this video, I'll show you guys the exact video, the views, the RPM, and how much YouTube actually paid me. All right. And before this video ends, I'll also show you the biggest mistake Nigerian YouTubers are making that keeps them broke. Now, if you're new here, my name is Patrick, and I create content around digital skills, online income, and how you can earn money online without long stories. All right. Now, let's get straight into the video. A lot of Nigerians want to start YouTube, but the biggest question most of them are always asking is that, how can I start? And the real question, actually, trust me, is not even how can you start, is it even worth it? Should you start YouTube in 2026? Now, nobody wants to buy data, stress themselves, and upload videos for about 1 year just to earn maybe $2 or $10. So instead of motivating you guys, let's talk about the real numbers. Now, this is the exact video. As you can see, it has just about 1,000 views. We didn't do any promotion on this video, no ads, just organic views. All right, so let's get into the YouTube studio so that I can give you guys a quick explanation. Now, YouTube does not pay you per view. What YouTube pays you is called RPM. And what is RPM? RPM simply means how much you earn per 1,000 views after YouTube has taken their own share. Now, this is where your country, your niche, and your audience location matters. And this is where most Nigerian creators get it wrong, or this is where they are mostly confused. Now, let's get to what everyone is here for, okay? For this video with 1,000 views, YouTube paid me $8. Not millions, not $0. This is the real result. And this is what 1,000 views can get you as a Nigerian YouTuber. Now, the biggest mistake Nigerian YouTubers make is depending on AdSense alone. All right? AdSense is not the only main income on YouTube. AdSense is just like a bonus. So smart YouTubers use YouTube as a traffic. They sell courses. They do affiliate marketing. They offer other services, just like me. I have Forex Academy. I do content creation and the rest. No, and I also build community. Now, that's how YouTube really pays. Okay. So is YouTube worth it in Nigeria? My honest answer is yes, if you do it smartly. And if you want me to break down how to earn even with low views, comment YouTube in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, because the next video I'm going to be making is also going to shock you guys. So don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys.